welcome to today's vlog. So I've started doing a thing on my Instagram and on the Skincare Mummy Instagram as well. I'm going through the A to Z's of skincare ingredients that are also edible. It's sort of like a real inner and outer beauty kind of thing with the ingredients. So I'm obviously starting today with A, because today is my first video going through any of the ingredients, and I'm going to start with acai because I absolutely love acai. Emily and I during the summer we pretty much live off acai fruit bowls. It's our favorite thing to have, and I thought I would just show you my really easy one that I make at home. I make it like in the morning if I am at home, or it's also really good for me to make and put in the fridge and keep cool overnight, and we can just have it like sort of a bit more liquid, but I can take it to work the next day. Anyway, so acai, it is full of antioxidants. It's known as the detoxing berry. Full of antioxidants, which you need antioxidants because they protect your skin from free radical damage. So free radical damage, if you don't know, that's pretty much like what increases the signs of aging, you know, fine lines, dark spots, all that kind of stuff. So antioxidants help to combat that a little bit. And I love the whole idea of inner and outer beauty. Like, you know, you need to have the ingredients that you can put on top of the skin and also nourishing your body with them as well. So I believe that acai berry is known as the superfood for age-defying beauty. So look, it makes you look beautiful and young and glowing, and it tastes delicious. So you're not really losing at all with any of this. So I'll quickly go through my ingredients. It's super basic. So I start off with banana because that gives a bit more of a texture to the smoothie. Sometimes I make it a smoothie bowl. And instead of using ice blocks, I use frozen berries and also some frozen mango, like just a few bits of frozen mango. Again, that helps with the texture. And then I'm also today going to put in some strawberries, some fresh strawberries. And I have frozen acai berry from the supermarket. Because I am trying to be also a bit more conscious about spending, and it's very expensive to buy acai berry powder. Also, I like it in the frozen blocks as well. So, you know, it's just frozen berry and it just gives a really good texture and it makes your smoothie nice and cool. So I'm just going to start off with putting everything into the blender, into my, what is it? NutriBullet. So I'm just going to start with banana. Literally a handful of berries, just like that, and that's the end of that packet. Now mango, I don't normally need too many, it's more just texture. Again, that's probably just a little bit of a handful. Alright, so and then I've got my acai berry, frozen in here, and I just sort of crunch it up. I've left it out a little bit so it's sort of not melted, but at least it's easy for me to crunch up. Otherwise it's one big block, which is really hard for the blender to mix it. Whoa, that is full. All right, now because everything's frozen and hard in here, I need to put a little bit of water in it. So I just put enough water in it so it goes roughly up to where the food is mixed to. And that just helps the blender. So that's important. Okay, now I've already washed my strawberries. So I'm just going to like chop them up a little bit. I'm not going to use too many because I'm also going to use these for mainly maybe some like decoration on the top as well. But I love strawberries. Again, berries are also really good for antioxidants as well. Also, they're delicious. All right, so I'm only going to do just 2 for the moment. And then I'm just going to mix it. I'm just going to blend it. Bowl for myself and a bowl for Emily as well. So Emily, yum, she'll eat that. And a bowl for me. This is also like my just little morning snack because we have had breakfast, but I thought that we should have a snack as well. Now I love coconut flakes, so I'm just going to dress it a little bit. So I don't normally put this stuff on Emily's just because I don't want her to choke. So we've got some coconut flakes, chia seeds. Okay, chia seeds are also amazingly good for your skin. I'll give her a little bit of that. She's like, yum. Chia seeds are full of omegas and fatty acids, which are really good for plumping your skin and all that, and sort of helping collagen production of collagen and all that. So fatty acids and omegas are really good for promoting collagen and plumping your skin. Now I'm just going to have some chocolate on mine because it's dark chocolate news, because I do love a little bit of dark chocolate. So it's not, and just a little treat because it is my morning tea. Anyway, so yeah. Then we've got the acai berry, which is full of antioxidants, a little bit of the chia seed, full of omegas and fatty acids. Avocados and salmon and almonds are also really good options for having those omega-rich foods. And they also keep you full for a lot longer as well. So they also have that boosting, like keeping you full for longer and all that stuff, as well as skin foods. And chia seed is also really good for, like I said, plumping the skin. So that's also in Body Co's anti-age face oil as well as avocado seed oil. See, you know, really good stuff. Anyway, so I'm just going to give one to Emily and I'm going to have one myself. Emily, and I need a spoon. It's a bit more liquid than I normally would have liked to have made it. I think that's because I put a little bit too much water in it. But yeah, no, that's going to really taste good. And yeah, superfood enriched little berry bowl. So I know I say this every single time, guys, but please do follow me on Instagram. Do comment, DM me, whatever, any skin questions or concerns or any topics that you want me to cover in future vlogs. Also, I would love to know, do you like little recipes like this as well for skin boosting foods with skin boosting ingredients? Because look, like eating well is a huge part. It's like of having great skin. It's literally, it's not just putting a product on your face, even though that is also an essential part. I think that having beautiful glowing skin, it really is a lifestyle. Beautiful glowing skin is a lifestyle. I'm going to say this for the rest of my life, I swear. You know, you need to eat well, you need to do your sun protection, you need to clean your face, you need to exercise, you need to get enough sleep, you need to drink enough water. You know, all this stuff, everything all adds up to giving you results. So one thing about diet that I do want to touch note on, if you are interested in me doing more vlogs about recipes and foods, there are some things that are actually diet related when it comes to your skin. So for example, if you might have like really sensitive skin, it might be like often quite red, it might be a bit uncomfortable, like sort of touch, you know, things like that. You might have really bad sensitivity to a lot of products. It could be because you have been using bad products, Or it also could have something to do with your gut. If your gut isn't the healthiest, you might need probiotics, like a lot of things with your gut, acne, some things like some of the way that you eat and stuff that can cause acne, having too much sugar, too much caffeine, processed foods, things like that, that also speeds up the rate of your skin aging. So yeah, again, if there are any particular skin concerns or something, if you want me to do like a recipe, but you know, you do have a bit of rosacea or something, I'll look into, you know, maybe something with like a probiotic or like a yogurt or something like that, like little yogurt slices. I'll look into it. I haven't like thought about this very much, but like when I get to, let's say, go down my A to Z of ingredients, when I get to P, I'll do like probiotics or something like that. Anyway, so yep, I hope that you enjoyed this one. I hope that you guys make this smoothie and love it. But it's just really easy. I just try to just stick to all the pretty colorful pink things pretty much. So yeah, follow me, subscribe, give this video a like so I know you've watched it, and I can't wait to see you next week.